Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the rigged vector layer and switching to mesh mode so the tool accepts vertex edits. Now create a coarse mesh across the limb or face. You want 20 to 50 verts for limbs and denser areas where deformation matters. Once done, convert mesh into a skin by binding edges to nearby bones. Make sure to set weights, often 100% at immediate joints and lower values across stretches so the mesh follows motion smoothly. You now refine how the mesh responds by painting weights and adjusting vertex influence. This prevents pinching when a joint bends. Use test poses and toggle bone visibility to see which vertices need smoothing and apply gradual weight fall-off across the mesh. If a region still collapses, add small helper bones with low influence, often 10 to 50%, to nudge deformation. This lets you control complex areas like shoulders or cheeks without redoing the entire skin. You finish by baking or exporting your mesh-deformed frames and checking animation at full resolution. Make sure the mesh holds up in extreme poses. If you see holes or weird stretching, increase mesh density locally or reassign weights to nearby bones, and test again. Small, targeted fixes usually solve it. Finally, save iterative files and export weight maps so you can revert or reproduce settings quickly. This prevents costly rework when unforeseen issues arise.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.